Today, Lamiro is a modern company built on its people, values, and trust, supporting clients across Europe. From the very first contact, every client is treated with professionalism and respect. More than 25 years of experience have shaped Lamiro into a company of people. Experts committed to reliability, service, and trust. Lamiro combines modern technology with tradition and experience. While we embrace innovation and constantly improve our processes, we have always remained a family business. From the very beginning, it was built step by step. And today, we are supported by a team that has stayed with us for many years. People are, and will always be, our greatest strength. Every component undergoes thorough quality control. From the very first stage of production, our specialists ensure precision in every detail. Lamiro is headquartered just 25 kilometers from Warsaw, in the heart of Poland's transport network. Our warehouse holds thousands of parts ready for immediate shipment, ensuring fast and reliable deliveries. With modern logistics and well-stocked shelves, we keep our partners supplied without delays. Each day, our parts support workshops and transport fleets across Europe. By offering quality comparable to the originals at up to 3 times lower prices, we have become a trusted partner for hundreds of businesses. We deliver body parts for every application. For trucks, for buses, for tractors, for fleets across Europe. We keep moving forward, investing in technology, people, and ideas that will shape the transport of tomorrow. Lamiro is more than a company. It is a family, a team, a story that has been unfolding for more than 25 years and continues to grow.